friends, welcome to Law and GK. So friends, on this channel we discuss the contents of law and previous year papers of judicial services and other legal exams. एंड अभी देखिए पंजाब एडीए का पेपर जो है आने ही वाला है. सो पंजाब एडीए की जो मैंने प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर जो है पहले ही डिस्कस कर लिए थे एंड उसी सीक्वेंस में पंजाब एडीए के लिए पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट्स की वीडियोस जो है वो रेडी कर रहा हूँ. देखिए अभी तक हमें ऑनलाइन जो पेपर्स मिले हैं वो 2013, 16 और 18 के मिले हैं. तो अभी तक इन ईयर्स में 13, 16 और 18 में जितने भी क्वेश्चंस आए हुए हैं पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट्स के, आज हम उनको डिस्कस करेंगे. आज की इस वीडियो में हम करने जा रहे हैं पंजाब एडीए अभी तक आए हुए 2013, 16, 2018 ऑल क्वेश्चंस ऑफ एविडेंस एक्ट. आई होप कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगेंगी. एंड अगर आपको एंड में ये वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो जरूर लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. एंड वाइल सब्सक्राइबिंग डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस दी बेल आइकॉन. तो चलिए अब चलते हैं अब आगे क्वेश्चंस की ओर.
Next is 70. The definition of court under Indian Evidence Act excludes arbitrator. C is the answer. Next 72. Section 13 Indian Evidence Act is applicable to the public rights, does not cover private rights, not confined to public, but it also covers private rights. Both हैं इसमें. B is the answer. Section 27 Indian Evidence Act is applicable when the person giving information is accused but not in police custody या फिर in police custody. B is the answer. Next 74. The relationship in Section 50 of Evidence Act means relationship by either adoption, blood or marriage. MBA. Marriage, blood, adoption. So either. D is the answer. Next 75. Section 114 Indian Evidence Act is an example of presumption of facts. A is the answer. Next 76. The husband of a woman committing suicide shall be presumed to be guilty of abatement if the suicide is committed within 7 years from the date of her marriage. D is the answer. का मेंशन किया गया है सेक्शन 113A में. Next 77. In which case the Supreme Court upheld video conferencing as a vital tool for collecting evidence where the witness may not be conveniently or necessarily be examined in court. तो केस कौन सा था वो? प्रफुल्ल बी देसाई. तो ए इज द आंसर. स्टेट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र वर्सेस डॉक्टर प्रफुल्ल बी देसाई. नेक्स्ट 78. एविडेंस इज एनी मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट द इफेक्ट, टेंडेंसी और डिजाइन ऑफ विच इज टू प्रोड्यूस इन द माइंड अ परसुएशन, अफर्मेटिव और डिसअफर्मेटिव ऑफ द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ सम अदर मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट हु स्टेटमेंट इज दिस. ये स्टेटमेंट दी थी बैंथम ने. डी इज द आंसर. अब ये जो टू व्यूज ऑफ पॉसिबल है, टू व्यूज थ्योरी, तो उसके लिए बताया गया 79. क्वेश्चन 79 कहता है द गोल्डन थ्रेड विच रन्स थ्रू दी वेब ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ जस्टिस इन क्रिमिनल केसेस इज दैट इफ टू व्यूज आर पॉसिबल ऑन द एविडेंस एड्यूस्ड इन द केस, वन पॉइंटिंग द गिल्ट ऑफ द अक्यूज एंड अदर टू हिज इनोसेंस, द व्यू विच इज फेवरेबल टू द अक्यूज शुड बी अडॉप्टेड. तो केस कौन सा था ये? दिस वॉज स्टेट ऑफ यूपी वर्सेज रामवीर सिंह. ए इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 80. X misrepresented that a particular piece of land belonged to him and induced Y to buy that land. The parties entered into an agreement for sale. The land afterward became the property of X. However, X wants to set aside the agreement to sale on the ground that at the date of the agreement he was not the owner of the land. The doctrine of estoppel will apply against X. Yes, A is the answer. Next is 81. X is charged with the murder of Y. Which of the following is hearsay evidence? X said that I saw X stabbing Y. तो ये तो direct evidence हो गया. Evidence of A that Z told me that he had seen X stabbing Y. This is hearsay. So B is the answer. Next is 82. X is charged for the offense of murder. He want to take the plea of insanity on the ground that at the time of commission of offense he was unable to understand the nature of the act due to unsoundness of mind. तो burden of proof किसके ऊपर है? Insanity lies on the accused by virtue of section 105 because when the accused claim that he falls under the exceptions, the burden of proof is upon him as per section 105 Indian Evidence Act. C is the answer. Next 83. Point out incorrect statement बतानी है यहाँ पर. अब admission is always against the person who makes it. जरूरी नहीं है इसके अगेंस्ट में जाए, उसके फेवर में भी जा सकता है ये तो. Admission is a statement, may be oral or documentary. Yes, yes. Admission assist in drawing inference as to relevant fact. Yes. तो आंसर क्या रहेगा इसका? ए. ये इनकरेक्ट है. और नॉट ऑलवेज. Next 84, generally the burden of proof lies on the prosecution. The court can presume certain facts and hence prosecution is not under an obligation to prove the presumed facts. The burden of proof lies on the defense if he pleads right of private defense. The burden of proof never shifts from one side to another. This is incorrect. It always shifts. D is the answer. 102 section. It say that it will shift. Next is 85. Which one of the following is not a public document? क्या letters between authorities? Yes. Electoral list? Yes. Order sheet in judicial proceedings? Yes. Insurance policy? The private है ना? B is the answer. Next 86. What number of witness will be required? No particular number. A is the answer. Section 134. Next 87. Which section of Indian Evidence Act deals with hostile witness? Section 154. B is the answer. Next 88. Electronic evidence is admissible under which section? 65B. B is the answer. Next 89. Which of the following is relevant and may be received in evidence? Tape recording conversation, tracker dog evidence, evidence collected by brain mapping, all of the above. D is the answer. बट ये ब्रेन मैपिंग वाला जो है ना ये थोड़ा डाउटफुल है बिकॉज इट शुड बी वॉलंट्री. इनवॉलंट्री आप नहीं ले सकते. Next 90. X has an experience of 25 years in photographs but does not possess any technical qualification on the art of photography. Why want to call X as an expert or witness of photography? तो कोर्ट कंसिडर करेगा एज एन एक्सपर्ट? कर सकता है. यस. A is the answer. Next 91. Facts forming part of same transaction are known as res gestae. D is the answer. Section 6. Admission 17. DD 32. Plea of alibi 11. Next 92. A sues B for libel imputing disgraceful conduct of A. B affirms that the matter alleged to be libelous is true. The position and relation of the parties at time when libel was published may be relevant as to constitute motive या फिर as conduct influenced by the fact in issue या फिर introductory to fact in issue. इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? C. Next 93. A prosecutes B for stealing cow from him. B is convicted. Afterward, A sues C for the cow which B sold to him before his conviction. The judgment of B irrelevant between A and C. B is the answer. Section कौन सा है ये? Section है 43. Illustration है C. C for cow. Next 94. Document is said to be in handwriting of A. The document is produced from proper custody if the document is purporting or proved to be 30-year-old. The court may presume that it is in A's handwriting. A is the answer. Section कौन सा है? 90. Indian Evidence Act. Next 95. Presumption as to accuracy of maps and plans made by authority of government contained in section 83. C is the answer. Next 96. Burden of proof under section 101 never shifts. A is the answer. Shift कौन सा करेगा? 102. Next is 97. The possession contemplates under section 110 is judicial, symbolic, actual, physical, all of the above. C is the answer. Actual physical possession होना चाहिए. Next 98. Section 92 Evidence Act prohibits admission of oral evidence in respect of written document for the purpose of varying its term, adding its term, contradicting its terms, all of the above. D is the answer. Next is 99. Delhi High Court issue guideline for protection of witness in Neelam Katara case. A is the answer. Next is 100. Confession of co-accused is admissible under section 30 of Indian Evidence Act. B is the answer. Next question number 21. The Indian Evidence Act applies to judicial proceedings only या फिर judicial proceedings as well as proceedings of domestic tribunals? No, only to judicial proceedings. A is the answer. Next is 25. Which section of Evidence Act provides an exception to general rule given under section 60 of the Act? That is section 32. 60 में क्या लिखा हुआ कि evidence must be direct, but 32 में direct declaration होती है तो here that evidence can be given by some other person and that is admissible. Next is 26. Anil saw an accident and narrated the story of it to his wife. Anil and his wife were both called in court where Anil gave an account of it to the court. His wife stated that she was told by her husband दिस इज ओनली ए हियर से एविडेंस, ये रेसिस्टाई में नहीं आएगा बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट डी रेसेंटाई। ठीक है, डी रेसेंटाई होना जरूरी है, मतलब रिसेंट होना जरूरी है, वो घर आया उसके बाद उसने बताया, तो दैट इज ओनली हियर से एविडेंस। Next 27, when a person raises the plea of alibi, then it negates which of the fact? Opportunity under section 7 of Indian Evidence Act, या फिर motive under section 8, या फिर inconsistency of fact under section 11। और सेक्शन 11 में तो इनकन्सिस्टेंसी जो है ही, तो उसको नेगेट थोड़ी करेगा, ये मोटिव को नेगेट कर देगा। बी इज द आंसर, एंड इट ऑल्सो नेगेट्स सेक्शन 7, so both A and B is the answer। Next is 28, judgment for the purpose of relevancy are two kind, judgment in rem and personam। Which section of the Indian Evidence Act deals with judgment in rem? Section 41, B is the answer। Next 29, when the court has to determine the question whether a particular document is signed by a certain person, then the court can determine by opinion of handwriting expert, या फिर by any person who is not an expert, who is acquainted with the handwriting of the person whose handwriting is in question। Yes, evidence of writer himself by comparing handwriting in question with the proven handwriting। तो क्या आंसर रहेगा इसका? All of the above, D is the answer। Next 30, which section of Indian Evidence Act empowers the court to decide when question shall be asked to witness and when witness can be compelled to answer? That is section 148, D is the answer। Next 31, which section of Indian Evidence Act provides for impeaching the credit of witness? Section 155, C is the answer। Next 32, which of the following statement holds true for the evidence under provision of Indian Evidence Act? Because a portion of evidence of a witness, देखिए यहाँ पर evidence of दो बार लिखा हुआ है, इसको काट देंगे। If the portion of the evidence of a witness is not applicable, entire evidence can be rejected। No, जितना पोर्शन एक्सेप्टेबल है उसको एक्सेप्ट कर लेंगे। वेयर एविडेंस इज ऑफ कन्फ्लिक्टिंग नेचर, द एविडेंस फेवरिंग द अक्यूज शुड बी एक्सेप्टेड। दिस इज करेक्ट, दिस इज जनरल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ लॉ। वेयर टू व्यूज आर पॉसिबल, द वन विच फेवरिंग द अक्यूज शैल बी adopted because prosecution has to prove the case beyond reasonable doubt and this would put the case in doubt। देखिए सी जो है ना, विटनेस कैन बी ब्रांडेड एज लायर, नो। मस्ट ऑलवेज अप्लाई फॉल्सस इन उनो, नो, इट इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल इन इंडिया। आंसर क्या रहेगा इसका? बी। नेक्स्ट 33, विच सेक्शन ऑफ इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट प्रोवाइड्स दैट अ विटनेस में वाइल अंडर एग्जामिनेशन रिफ्रेश हिज मेमोरी? तो रिफ्रेश मेमोरी कितने में है? 159 में। तो बी इज दी आंसर, इतना पढ़ने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। नेक्स्ट 50, कॉम्पिटेंसी ऑफ विटनेस इज डेल्ट अंडर सेक्शन 118 इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट। बी इज दी आंसर। 51, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए पब्लिक डॉक्यूमेंट? एफिडेविट्स, यस। प्राइवेट वक्फ डीड रिकॉर्डेड इन द ऑफिस ऑफ सब रजिस्ट्रार, दैट इज, अगर सब रजिस्ट्रार के डॉक्यूमेंट्स में है तो दैट इज पब्लिक। फैमिली रजिस्टर ऑफ विलेज, दैट इज ऑल्सो पब्लिक। तो ऑल ऑफ द अबव, डी इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट 52, सेक्शन 32 एविडेंस एक्ट कम्स इन टू प्ले व्हेन पर्सन हु स्टेटमेंट इज sought to be proved is dead, cannot be found, attendance cannot be procured without reasonable delay, incapable of giving evidence, all of the above, D is the answer। Next 53, admission is positive act of acknowledgement or confession which is conscious and deliberate act and cannot be something which would be inferred। Admission is relevant and admissible because it is a statement against its maker, a waiver of proof, evidence of truth, all of the above, D is the answer। Next 54, according to section 65 Indian Evidence Act, the secondary evidence can be admitted in how many exceptional cases? वहाँ पर कितने लिखे हुए? वहाँ लिखे हुए हैं 7 सेक्शन 65 में, जहाँ पर लॉस तो गुम हो गई, डिस्ट्रॉय हो गई, जिसके पास है वो नहीं दे रहा है, तो वो सब वहाँ पर लिखे हुए हैं। वहाँ पर हमने एक फॉर्मूला बनाया हुआ है NDMC पैन। तो कितने हो गए? 1 2 3 4। नोट फाउंड, डिस्ट्रॉयड, मिसिंग। ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से बनाया हुआ है, आप भी बना सकते हैं इसको। नेक्स्ट 69, each of the following evidence given by a witness is not relevant in subsequent proceeding or later stage of the same proceeding। C, he refuses to give evidence, C is the answer। बाकी जब डेड है, नॉट फाउंड है या फिर इनकेपेबल है तो एविडेंस में आ जाएगा एज पर सेक्शन 32। Next 70, under which of the following provision technical objection will not be allowed to prevail where substantial justice appear has to be done? Section 167, B is the answer। last section of Indian Evidence Act. Next is 71, where dying declaration is made in one language but it is recorded by executive magistrate in another language in the absence of doctor. Such dying declaration, अगर देखिए जो लिखा हुआ है वो सेम टू सेम वैसा ही ट्रांसलेटेड है तो वो एडमिसिबल है, डॉक्टर की प्रेजेंस जो है वो ज़रूरी नहीं है, ठीक है, तो इज द आंसर एक्सेप्टेबल एज एविडेंस. नेक्स्ट 82, शरद चंद्र दे वर्सेस गोपाल चंद्र लाहा is a leading case on which of the following? On estoppel, C is the answer. Next 83, an uncorroborated evidence of an accomplice if it forms the basis of conviction is not legal. B is the answer. Because section 114 का illustration जो है वो ये कहता है कि it shall be always corroborated. Next is 84, what is the position of dying declaration if the person making it survives? तो it can be used under सेक्शन 157, बट इसमें तो होगी नहीं बिकॉज वो जिंदा है, तो बी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 85, विच इज द लीडिंग केस ऑन कन्फेशन? क्वीन एम्प्रेस वर्सेस बाबूलाल, सी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 89, द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन एक्सेप्शन टू द रूल ऑफ हियरसे. ये सब जो हैं एक्सेप्शंस हैं, तो इस क्वेश्चन को जो है डिलीट कर दिया गया था. नेक्स्ट 90, which section of Indian Evidence Act is based on Magnus Solus Populi as supreme lex? Section 123, D is the answer. 16 है the evidence given by dumb witness through sign language recorded into writing. क्या होता है? Oral evidence. Section 119 Evidence Act. 17, the good faith of a sale by a son just come of age to a father is in question in a suit brought by the son. The burden of proving the good faith of the transaction is on the father. So A is the answer. BOP कहाँ पर मेंशन है? सेक्शन 101 से स्टार्ट है ऑफ इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट. 18, the rule about exclusion of oral evidence contained in section 92 will apply in those cases where contract, grants or other disposition is in writing, whether or not required by law to be in writing. So A is the answer. कैसे? वहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है whether required by law in writing or not. ठीक है, राइटिंग जरूरी भी नहीं है, फिर भी आपने राइटिंग में करवा रखा है तो वहां पर भी ये एप्लीकेबल होगा. ओके. क्वेश्चन 19, जनरली रीडिंग क्वेश्चन में बी आस्क्ड इवन विदाउट परमिशन ऑफ द कोर्ट इन क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन. सेक्शन कौन सा है? 143. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, where a party proposes to give a particular fact as evidence. Section 136 of Indian Evidence provides that judge may ask about its relevancy, shall ask about its relevancy, may presume its relevancy. And section 136 में लिखा हुआ है judge may ask about its relevancy. So A is the answer. Next 21, under section 145 of Indian Evidence Act, a witness may be cross-examined as to his previous statement by him which was deduced in writing. Which of the following is not covered by the section? Statement recorded under section 161, statement of the accused amounting to confession only, whether amounting to confession or not. तो इनमें से कोई भी जो ऑप्शन जो है वो ठीक नहीं था और ये क्वेश्चन जो है डिलीट कर दिया गया था. Exercise 22, State of Maharashtra versus Damu Gopinath Shinde relates to discovery of evidence. So B is the answer, where discovery of evidence provided in Indian Evidence Act, section 27. Next 23, rule of circumstantial evidence is well defined. No. Judge made rule. No. Best evidence. No. Not admissible per se. No. तो कोई भी आंसर इसका ठीक नहीं था, इसको भी जो है डिलीट कर दिया गया था. Next 24, A agrees in writing to sell his black horse to B. A has two black horses. B wishes to adduce an evidence as to which black horse was expected to be part of that deal. The evidence is permissible. Yes, permissible. D is the answer. कौन से सेक्शन में दिया हुआ है? 96 में, illustration A. All right. Exercise 25. अब ये मैच करना है. याकूब अब्दुल रजाक मेनन किससे रेट करता है? ये करता है कन्फेशन से. शेर सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब, डिले इन एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ डेथ सेंटेंस. रमेश चंद्र अग्रवाल, एक्सपर्ट एविडेंस. CIT वर्सेस BN भट्टाचार्य, एस्टॉपल. सो आंसर क्या रहेगा इसका? 2. B is the answer. 78, in relation to the expression defined in section 3 of Indian Evidence Act which of the following is not correct। तो जहाँ पर भी नोट लिखा है वैसे तो इन्होंने हाईलाइट किया हुआ है, इसको बोल्ड में लिखा हुआ है, बट फिर भी आप जो है पेन से कर लीजिए उसको हाईलाइट। Facts include not only physical but also psychological facts, it is correct। Court includes arbitrator, this is not correct, B is the answer। Next 79, A is tried for a crime, the fact that he said something indicating a general disposition to commit crimes of that class is irrelevant, B is the answer। Section है 14, illustration है P। Next 80, Indian Evidence Act is not applied to affidavit present to court proceeding before an arbitration, judicial proceedings before court। तो आंसर क्या रहेगा इसका? Both A and B, C is the answer। Next 81, A sues B for land of which B is in possession and which A asserts was left to A by the will of C, B's father। If no evidence were given on either side, B would be entitled to retain his possession, therefore the burden of proof is upon A, so A is the answer। Section 102, onus of proof on A, illustration है ये A। Next 82, which of the following is not secondary evidence? कौन secondary evidence नहीं है? तो copies made from original by mechanical process which is themselves ensure the accuracy of the copy and copies compared with such copies, this is secondary। Document itself produced for the inspection, no, this is the primary evidence, B is the answer। And where is primary secondary evidence provided? Primary evidence is in section 62, that in secondary is in 63 and again 65। Next 83, it is well settled law that rule of prudence requires that evidence of an accomplice should ordinarily be corroborated by some other evidence। It was held by the Supreme Court in case of Francis Stanley versus intelligence officer, so D is the answer। Next 84, in which case has the Supreme Court held that material evidence and not the number of witnesses has to be taken into account to ascertain the truth of allegation made? Answer इसका A, Sayyid Ibrahim versus State of Andhra Pradesh। Next 85, relationship is not a factor to affect credibility of a witness is laid down by Supreme Court in case of S. Sudarshan Reddy versus State of AP, C is the answer। Next 86, voluntary confession is admissible in evidence when made to police officer, when made to magistrate having competent jurisdiction, so B is the answer। Next 87, Deepak, an accused of committing the offense of supplying arms, inform his lawyer Shweta that he has committed the offense and wishes her to defend him। In these circumstances, Shweta is duty bound, no, duty bound to inform magistrate, no, the communication is privileged one and protected from disclosure, C is the answer। And where are these disclosures, privileged communications provided? Under section 126, professional communications। Next 88, फिर से मैच करना है अब, सेम ट्रांजेक्शन सेक्शन 6, दैट्स जस्ट ए, ओकेजन सेक्शन 7 में है, मोटिव 8 में है, एडमिशन कहाँ पर है 17 में, तो आप मैच कर लीजिए। तो आंसर क्या रहेगा? 2, 3, 4, 1, C is the answer। Next 89, confession of one accused is an admissible evidence against the co-accused if they are tried jointly for the same offense, A is the answer। सेक्शन कौन सा है ये? 30, इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट।
सो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पर हमने पंजाब ADA ऑल क्वेश्चंस ऑफ एविडेंस एक्ट के सभी क्वेश्चंस को हमने डिस्कस कर लिया है। अगर आपको इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम लगी हो, कोई सजेशंस हो, कोई सॉल्यूशंस हो, तो आप जो है कमेंट सेक्शन में जाकर भी लिख सकते हैं। वी ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट फॉर दैट। एंड अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा उसको जरूर लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन। सो फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू, थैंक्स वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।